Okay, are you ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Thailand's My Klong railway market. About an hour south of Bangkok, a train runs through the My Klong railway market, which is one of the largest railway produce and seafood markets in Thailand. The train runs through the market and it also runs through a wide range of items, including seafood, vegetables and fresh fruits. You can see behind me all the stalls here, all the little shops that they've set up selling fresh produce, vegetables, groceries, cooked food, all sorts of stuff. It runs through almost everything in this tightly spaced market. And yes, before you ask, the market did not appear after the train tracks were put in place. It was here well before that. For decades, this market has been operating and selling foods to locals and tourists. And it was back in 1905 when the My Klong Railway built a commuter train to Bangkok. When building the track, they laid parts of it down right here in the middle of the My Klong market, which was here before the tracks were built. But this didn't scare the many vendors here. They decided to work around the problem. How did they do this, you may ask? Well, it's rather simple. They just adjusted and moved their products when the train was due to pass, which is about 8 times a day, 7 days a week. How is the train going to go past here? How did they do this like several times a day? It's incredible. Over the years, vendors have become better in packing up and getting ready for the train to pass. To this day, vendors pack away their stall umbrellas but leave in place some of their produce, which sits right under the passing train. This is the main reason why tourists flock here, as they watch the train pass by a place that can only be described as a bustling market. But once the train passes by, everything is back to business as usual. So the train, I think, is going to come from over there and it goes all the way down there to the river. I'm not sure how that's going to happen. So the announcement I can hear is basically telling everyone to pack up and get ready because the train's about to come. Wow, look how close it gets. What on earth? This is crazy.